Thinking of buying a home soon, but know that your credit score isn't just as high as it should be? Well, don't panic. Unless you are already in process and under contract, and you have a couple of months until you're ready to buy, you might be able to quickly get your score where you want. If you have any revolving credit card balances, and this does not include an American Express account, you will want to try and get each individual card's balance down to under 30% of the card's credit limit. Ideally, if you can get it down to 10% or less, that's even better. But you don't want to pay them down to zero in most cases. By having all of your cards under that crucial 30% limit, you should see your scores jump up almost immediately. What's important to know is that creditors only report data to the 3 credit bureaus once a month. So the time it takes to see results depends on when you pay down that account and when your monthly statement is issued for that account. Let's say your monthly statement ends on the 15th of every month. As long as you make the payment prior to that date, it should get reported to the credit bureaus on the following month's report. So a payment made before September 15th would show up on a credit report pulled in October. Now, if you made the payment instead on the 16th after the statement ending date, it likely won't show up on a credit report until November because you missed the cutoff for the October report. Remember, each card reports on a different day, so you need to figure out the latest date among all of your cards as your target date to get everything paid by. You also want to give it a few days to actually update on the credit report. So if a card reports on, say, the last day of the month, I'd recommend waiting to pull the report until around the 5th of the following month. That typically seems to get the best results when I do this. Now, the benefit to you can be huge, as increasing your credit score from, say, 680 to 720 could decrease your mortgage rate by over 0.5%. That's thousands in savings over the life of the loan. So don't pay the banks that extra money. Get your scores up before you apply and lock in the rate. If you have any questions about credit scores and preparing to apply for a mortgage, let's talk first. It's never too soon to have this conversation. Of course, before and during the process, you want to continue paying all of your bills on time without any late payments, and you want to avoid opening up any new credit until after you've closed. Changes like this can have a huge impact on your credit score in the negative way, so you want to avoid that. Have a great day, and I look forward to working with you soon. Thanks.